Hello guys, welcome to WrestleYard. So today in this video we will discuss winners of WrestleMania Night 1. And if you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, then please subscribe it. WrestleMania 37 kicks off with WWE Champion Bobby Lashley vs Drew McIntyre. Both had a great entrances, but talking about match, it was pretty good. At the beginning, Bobby Lashley was looking for a hurt lock couple of times, but it didn't work out. We saw a back and forth action between these two powerhouses, and Drew McIntyre also gave 3 future shot DDTs, but still Lashley kicks out. And McIntyre even gave Kimura lock to Bobby Lashley, but Lashley manages to touch the rope. And finally McIntyre was going for a Claymore kick, but due to MVP's distraction, Lashley manages hurt lock and Bobby Lashley retains his WWE Championship at WrestleMania. Next we saw Cesaro vs Seth Rollins. This match starts with very fast pace and Cesaro hits 3-4 uppercuts and goes for a swing, but Seth Rollins able to block it. Cesaro goes for a neutralizer, but Seth Rollins kicks out. Then Seth Rollins gave pedigree to Cesaro, but he manages to kick out. We saw Seth Rollins with unique 360-degree splash, but still Cesaro manages to kick out. Then finally Cesaro goes for a swing, and I think this is the longest swing Cesaro ever had with 23 swings. And then with the help of neutralizer, Cesaro covers Seth Rollins 1, 2, 3 and Cesaro wins. And I think this is one of the biggest win in Cesaro's career. Next we saw for the Raw Tag Team Champion, The New Day vs AJ Styles and Omos. In this match, New Day dominated AJ Styles and AJ Styles was trying to tag in, but New Day kept their attack. Finally AJ Styles tagged to Omos and Omos just destroyed New Day and pins Kofi Kingston to become the new Raw Tag Team Champions. And did you enjoy the Omos debut? Let me know in the comment box. Next, steel cage match between Shane McMahon vs Braun Strowman. Elias and Ryker attacked Braun Strowman during his entrance, and with this advantage, Shane McMahon kept his attack with chairs to Braun Strowman. And we saw a moment where both were on the top of the cage and Braun Strowman throws Shane McMahon from the top of the cage, and then with the help of running power slam, Braun Strowman picks a win over Shane McMahon. Next we saw a tag team match between Miz and Morrison vs Damian Priest and Bad Bunny. I personally like Bad Bunny's entrance, and talking about the match, Bad Bunny was very impressive in his debut match and we saw some good moments in the match. And finally Bad Bunny pins the Miz to get his and Damian Priest's first WrestleMania victory. Finally, the main event of WrestleMania Night 1, Sasha Banks vs Bianca Belair for the SmackDown Women's Championship. This match starts with very slow pace. We saw a moment where Bianca Belair goes for a splash, but Sasha Banks manages to kick out. The fans and Bianca Belair were shocked at this moment, and then Sasha Banks goes for a bank statement, but Bianca Belair manages to touch the rope. And then finally Bianca Belair attacks Sasha Banks with her hair, goes for the finisher and covers her to become the new SmackDown Women's Champion. So that's pretty much for it. Comment what do you guys think about Night 1 of WrestleMania, and thanks for watching.